Hey guys, this is John Tripp, and at this point, you should have finished doing it pretty much everything. So everything's blasted, and now you're ready to go through that blasted file and actually try to find something meaningful. So go ahead and grab that file. We want to copy it. We want to move this into our parser. What this is basically going to do is just make sense of all that information that we have within this file. Okay, now you want to open up your command prompt and go ahead and again just navigate to the folder, the parser folder. Okay, then once here, you go ahead and type in your command prompt, just Perl parser. I've actually got 3 or 4 different parser files here I can use. I'm just going to go with 10 to the minus third. The higher that value is, so 10 to the minus 9 or 6, it's a little more stringent. For the purpose of this video, there's really no reason to use those other values. So we'll just use 10 to the minus third. And the first file that I typed in there was the name of my output file from my blast. And then the one, I'll put a space after I typed in that file, and then I'll type in what I want it to save as. And I always like to save it as parsed. That way I know that this file is completely finished with everything that we've done. It's also good to go ahead and name it parse 10 minus 3. That way you know which parser that you used when you did this. Okay, now it's finished parsing. You can go in and go ahead and look at it. And if a lot of these files, they're extremely large, and so they're not very good to try to look at and analyze. And so you want to move these into some kind of like a Microsoft Excel. Linux has got its own programs that you can use to view this file in and kind of analyze it. Personally, I would rather use Microsoft Excel. So I'll just copy this into my USB thumb drive, and I'll transfer everything over and reboot into